I love math class. In this presentation, I'm going to be working with Math Standard 6.G.1, finding the area of right triangle, then applying these techniques in the context of solving real world and mathematical problems. This story began with a boy named Johnny and his friend Sue, who was taking a walk down the lane. Sue asked Johnny, could she go over his house to study? Johnny began to think. Sue going over to his house? He was quite embarrassed about the house that he lived in. What do I tell Sue? Do I tell her that my house burned in a fire? Or do I tell Sue that I live with my grandparents in a big old house and it's really spooky? Johnny thought for a moment and then he said, no, I'll just tell Sue of my new beautiful dream home. Let's begin our lesson. Upon the completion of this lesson, one will be able to determine the area of the house in square feet. Identify the geometric shapes shown on the house. Know the meaning of the following words: area, square feet, square, triangle, congruent triangle, rectangle. The definition for area is the measurement of a surface or piece of land. Square feet, a unit of area measurement equal to a square measuring 1 foot on each side. The right triangle has one 90-degree angle and two acute angles, which are less than 90 degrees. A square is a plane figure with four equal straight sides and four right angles. Here is a diagram of what a square looks like. It shows the height and the base. Also, each side is labeled with an A, meaning each side is equal. The area of a square, since it is a square, all sides are equal in length. The formula for the area of a square is A equals base times height. A equals A times A. If A equals 3 units, then A equals 3 times 3 equals 9 square units. When triangles are congruent, one triangle is placed on top of the other, and the sides and angles are in the same position. The formula for the area of a triangle: area equals 1/2 base times height. 2 right triangle equals 1 square. Repeating the area formula: triangle, area equals 1/2 base times height. Square, area equals base times height. Rectangle is a plane figure with 4 straight sides and 4 right angles, especially one with unequal adjacent sides. Presented is 4 right angles. The 4 right angles are being placed equally onto the rectangle. Rectangle area formula is area equals width times length. This is the diagram that shows the side view of Johnny's dream house. This is the front and back view of the house. To solve the side view, there are 3 steps. Step 1. Because this is a square, all sides are the same length. Therefore, the top line is 10 feet. Use the area formula for a square to solve. A equals B times H. The base is 10 feet. The height is 10 feet. Plug it in. A equals 10 times 10. A equals 100 square feet. Step 2. These are right triangles. The base of the triangle is 10 feet. The height is 6 feet. Use the area formula for a triangle to solve. A equals 1/2 base times height. A equals 1/2 10 times 6. A equals 1/2 times 60. A equals 30 square feet. Step 3. Sum of step 1 and step 2. A equals 100 square feet plus 30 square feet. A equals 130 square feet times 2. Where do we get the 2 times? That's because we have two sides, so we must multiply by 2 in order to get the sum of the two sides. So it's 130 square feet times 2 give us area equals 260 square feet for both sides. There are 2 steps to solve the front and back view. Step 1. Area equals width times length. The width is 15 feet. The length is 10 feet. We plug it in and we have area equals 15 times 10. Area equals 150 square feet. Step 2. Multiply the sum by 2, the front and the back. Area equals 150 times 2. The area is 300 square feet. The total area for side view, area equals 260 square feet plus the area for the front and back view is 300 square feet. The total area of the house in square feet is area equals 560 square feet. Now watch as I demonstrate how you will convert feet to meter, and then we're going to change square feet to square meters. After 6 months, Johnny's new dream home is built. Thank you for tuning in to I Love